Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how I did some of the things I did in my part for the Metamorphosis Apologize collab. I'm going to start off with the text, the main text for this collab. There are two ways that I did this, so I'm going to try to go over those real quick. I'm going to go ahead and type out apologize. Now this text effect, it kind of is the same method as the gimme text. It's very popular in the motion graphics community, but let's go ahead and show you how to do that cutoff of the, so you just see like the bottom half or the top half. The easiest way, I guess, but it's not my favorite way, is to just duplicate these two layers, or duplicate, so there's two of them. We'll do a mask for the top and a mask for the bottom. And then I'm going to grab these two layers, open up the position, go ahead and separate the dimensions, and just mess with the y-axis, or y position. So what you would do, you just make that one go under, and then make this one go up. Okay. And you get something like this. Which it's okay, it's not my favorite way to do it. I'm gonna edit the graph real quick because that is making me anxious. I think this would be handy to have my motion tool working right now, but it is not, so we'll just use the speed graph. That'll be the easiest one to use for this one. And then if you decide you want to create more layers, go ahead and go to the keyframe, and you can do that. You could also make the mask smaller. Do the same with the bottom layer. Make it smaller. Have this go down. Oops. It's not what I wanted it to do. So we'll move this down first and then make it smaller. Bring it up. There, and you get something like that. I don't know why it is starting there. Let me reset it. There we go. There you go. So that's the first way to do it. You can keep going if you wanted to. Now I'm going to delete all these layers. Now here's the way that I prefer to do it. Again, I'm going to duplicate the layer. Then I'm going to put a mask right here. It's going to be about like that. And then you go into the position, the animate section here, and you just have this go down like so. So it just pops up. Like that. I'm going to edit the graph real quick, and then it's a little slow, but you can speed it up. You guys know how to do that. Then I'm going to do that again, duplicate the original text layer, and then create a small space at the top here. Animate. Take the position to the beginning, and then boom. Oops. And then there you go. And the reason why I like this version better is because if you were to do like an opacity thing, you wouldn't have the residue of these two layers still stuck there. Like you would just see half. If we did the other method, you'd see like the masked out half of the apologize here, while in the middle it's the opacity, or the low opacity apologize. So that's why I like that one better. Advanced, we'll just do a random. You can also have this transition back in, or have the position go back in, which I think I'll do. Not, I wanted you. There we go. Just reset. Right click reset. Let's see if I can do these keyframes. Okay. Just drag it to the other side. Oh my god. There we go. I hate that, so I'm going to delete that, but you know where I was going with that. Oh. And with this, you can also, I feel like it's easier to just duplicate and then you just move it up. And you could do, you could also make this one, I'm sorry, make the two on the top and the bottom. You could switch this and turn this into a line. So that just gives it more style. So I think I'll keep it like that for the preview, but yeah, just an extra thing you can do with this.